Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your copyright claim on TikTok. So let's say one of your video got falsely copyright, which means you were doing everything properly but it got copyrighted for no reason. Then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to fix it. But remember, if you actually copied somebody else's content, or you used music which was not a fair use music, which means the creator of the music was not allowing the music to be used, or you just took a part of a movie and uploaded on your TikTok, then of course that's going to be copyright claimed, and you doing anything will not solve it because you actually copyrighted somebody else's content. But let's say you made a video yourself or music yourself and it got copyrighted for no reason, and you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, you want to click on the third option where it says settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called report a problem. Once you see report a problem, click on report a problem, and once you're inside report a problem, scroll a bit down until you see this option called submit a report. Click on submit a report, and inside submit a report, so you want to write this: I have gotten a copyright claim in my video. I think this is a mistake. The video falls under fair use. Once you write this, just click on submit at the bottom, and this problem will be submitted to TikTok. Once this problem is submitted to TikTok, TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Like if your video was copyrighted for no reason, they will lift the copyright issue. But if it was copyrighted for a reason, they will not lift it, and the only thing you can do is just delete the video. That's the only thing. But that's how you guys can fix a copyright claim on TikTok problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.